Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool wall Trimline telephone, and this is Ron's equipment from MD, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now these units are highly collectible, and this unit has the round buttons. So they didn't make this unit or this type of unit very long. And they made a lot of changes in the inside of the handset for the design of the electronics that were installed in the handsets. And they kept changing that design. So finding parts for this unit for the inside and the keypad is really difficult to do, because you could take 10 of these telephones and a lot of them will not have the same design for the handset on the inside. So they're hard to find parts for, and you wouldn't want to part out a good telephone just to repair a telephone that has a problem. And this unit has a bad keypad. We've already troubleshooted and we know that. And we feel that it's worth saving for Ron, and he wants to save the unit and keep the round keys for the keypad. So now what we have to do is totally redesign and replace the inside of the handset. So we got to build up our tone generator circuits, and we also have to design and build a momentary switch keypad. So that all has to be made and built. There's not much room on the inside really, and there is a contour to the handset, so we have to follow that. It's going to be a difficult project, but in order to save the handset with the round buttons, that's what we're going to have to go through. So we'll go ahead and take care of all those issues. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We're going to go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool wall Trimline telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward redesigning of this unit. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with our redesign and our conversion for the inside of the handset so that we could save the original style round buttons for the keypad. And we're ready to start our final checkout. Now I also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video, and it has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button, you may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we want to do is go ahead and send a ring cycle to this unit like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. Now what we want to do is walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, that's an indication of 100% modulation every time you see that red light light up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. We can go ahead and hang the unit up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can move the line cord over to a line out, and we'll call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Monday, February 24th. The current time, 6:27 p.m. and the temperature, 66 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up the handset. Now that we know that this really cool Western Electric wall Trimline telephone has totally been redesigned and converted at the handset, we can return this unit back to Ron and he can enjoy this telephone once again. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com. And you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.